this video, I will be showing you how to use PayPal from the very beginning, and this includes sending and receiving money online, and this will be good for you if you've never used PayPal before and you want to know how to sign up for it and how to use it properly. Now, before I get into the details of this video, a very quick reminder here. If you're new to the channel or you're watching one of my videos for the very first time, my name is Ian, and I post videos here on YouTube every single day on topics related to making money and personal finance. So if you'd like to see more of these videos, give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. And also consider subscribing to this channel and turning on all the notifications. And that way you'll be able to get the updates every day when I post a new video here. Now, using PayPal is very easy, and you can either use the mobile app or you can use the website. And in this video, I'll be going through the basics of the website, and the app may be a little different in terms of how it looks, but everything is still the same. So starting out, you'll need to go to the PayPal website and sign up. And by the way, this video is to help you if you currently have no experience with PayPal. So I'll show you how to sign up for the account and then how to send and receive money using PayPal, and also how to link your bank or credit and debit cards. So the first step here is to get onto the homepage, which is www.paypal.com, and you'll see sign up and logging at the top to the right. Now, if you're new to PayPal, this means that you don't have an account, so you'll need to hit sign up. Now, this then takes you to the sign up page. Now, notice here you have two main options. PayPal has two main types of accounts. In the past, they had several account types, but now it's down to two. The first one is the personal account, which I will be showing you in this video, and you have the business account. If you're going to be sending and receiving money, then all you really need is the personal account. But if you have a business, then you'll go with the business account. And also, you don't have to make this decision right now, as you can have a PayPal personal account and you can also have a business account. So either way, you can sign up for the personal account, and then later on, if needs be, you can then get the PayPal business account. And you can actually have multiple PayPal business accounts as well. Now, both accounts are also free. The business accounts have a free version, or if you want to, you can pay for additional features, but the personal account is completely free, and this is one of the reasons why a lot of people choose to use PayPal online, especially consumers, because it's free. It offers them protection, and usually any fees that PayPal charges are paid by the seller or the merchant and not the person making purchases. And so if you have an online business and you aren't offering PayPal as a payment option, I think you should consider it, because there are people out there that prefer to use PayPal as opposed to putting their credit and debit card information on websites, especially if they've never used your services before. Remember, nobody wants to get scammed and then have scammers using their credit cards, and this is very easy for scammers to do online by creating fake websites and tricking people into thinking that they're selling products or services. So that's one reason to get a PayPal account if you have a business. So let's hit personal and then next, and this will now bring us to the page where we need to put our personal information in, and this has to be your legal name as it appears on any ID you have. And this is very important because there are times when PayPal in the future may just randomly freeze or suspend your PayPal account if you start making too much money or you have a lot of transactions. And when this happens, they usually try to verify your identity, which may require you proving that you are indeed who you say you are. So you could potentially open a PayPal account with an alias, but you wouldn't be able to use that account for a very long time, because I think when you make $1,000 or sometimes $3,000, and this is completely random, but PayPal will in the future try to verify your identity, because again, online fraudsters will steal people's identities and then try to create accounts online in an effort to rip other people off and then get away with it by using stolen information. Now, on this page, it should ask you for your name and email address and for you to create a password, but sometimes it asks for a phone number first, so you can fill that out and then hit next. Also, if you're signing up for a business account, it will ask you for your EIN number, and that's in the US. If you are outside of the US, everything is the same, and PayPal is in all countries, I believe, but it may just not ask you for a SSN or an EIN number if that's not applicable to your country. Now, in some cases, they may only ask that you link a credit card that is in your name, and then they'll use that to verify your identity, or they may ask for an automated video call where you show your ID beside your face, and then that way they can verify your identity, or at least verify that you are who you say you are. Now, after putting this information in and hitting next, this should then take you to a page that looks somewhat like this. And I'm now doing this from inside my PayPal account, but the only difference is that you'll see a link at the bottom somewhere around here, and that's going to say here to receive money or something of the sort. And you can click that link and it will take you into your PayPal account if you don't want to immediately add a debit or credit card to PayPal. And if you don't, you can add one later on. So it really doesn't matter, or it's not really important unless you plan to immediately start shopping online using PayPal. Now, the option to link a bank account is also here. And this way, if you get paid or if someone sends you money in your PayPal account, you can then withdraw the funds to your linked bank account and have easy access to your cash. Again, you don't have to complete this step right now if you don't want to, because you can do it at any time from your account dashboard. Now, if you add your bank or credit card, it will then take you to the home page. But if you skip that step and click on Receive Money, it will take you directly to the Send and Receive page, which looks somewhat like this. And you can see all the options we have to the side here to either send or receive money. And if you want to send someone money, all you have to do is to put their phone number or their email address right here, and you can send them money. It's that easy. Now, let's go to the home page and take a look here. So this is what PayPal will look like when you log in for the first time. At the top, we have our menu, and the two main ones that you'll be using from this menu, or the two main options you'll be using, will be the send and receive, where you can either send money or receive money, and then also the wallet tab. And the wallet tab will show you your available balance and any credit or debit cards or bank accounts that you have linked to your PayPal account. Now, remember, PayPal is like an online bank account. It isn't, but it's almost the same thing. You have a wallet where your balance sits, and then you can do transfers. And depending on your country, you can even now get a debit card from PayPal to access the balance in your PayPal wallet, and also direct deposit details to get paid directly to your PayPal account. So there is a lot going on here. Also, as you can see here, PayPal now allows you to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies with your PayPal account, and there are some other features that have been added to PayPal recently that I need to review as well. I talk about SOFI Money a lot, and here I have the debit card linked, but SOFI Money also has an interesting feature where you can set goals, which are sub-accounts of your hybrid account, and you can then save for different goals. So if you want to save for a deposit for purchasing a home, you can create a sub-account inside your bank account for doing that. You can then create multiple sub-accounts for multiple long or short-term goals, and it really helps you to keep your finances and savings organized. However, PayPal is now catching up and offering the very same thing. Now, SOFI Money calls it the Vault feature, and PayPal just has it here as goals. If you click on it, it will then tell you what it's all about, set your target amount, easily add and track your goals in one place. Your goals and funds are also secured in FDIC insured. So if you want to save for a vacation because you're tired of being locked in for what seems to be almost 2 years, then you can create a goal in PayPal for doing that, and anything else you want to save towards, and you'll be able to keep that money separate from your savings or your wallet. Now, I always try to give you the best option, and I haven't actually used this feature. I'm just coming across it now while doing this video, so I'll be sure to check it out and then use it and see how well it works. And then I'll probably do an update to this PayPal account and the new features in a couple weeks, but I know that SOFI Money works and it works really well. And so if you guys want to use that, I'm leaving a link below to it in the description. Now, one thing I don't like about PayPal is that when you log in each time, the homepage isn't always the same. For example, when I logged in today, it was giving me quick links to creating a goal and creating invoices and transferring money to an external bank. But logging in again and these options are all gone, and I have to use the main menu at the top. But the next thing I want to show you guys is the seller tools. Now, although this is a personal account, this is good because you still have access to some simple seller tools. And this comes in handy if you have an online business and you're not sure if you want to get a PayPal business account as of yet. Now, with the seller tools, you can create buttons, which is the main thing that you'll want to do. So a button is just a link with a price, and when a buyer clicks on it, it takes them to a PayPal shopping cart with the items and the details, and then this allows them to check out and pay for whatever it is. Now, if you scroll down, and here it is, you can create professional looking invoices very easily and just email them, and people can then pay that invoice using PayPal. And even if they don't have a PayPal account, right, they can still pay you, but your funds will be sent to your PayPal wallet. So this is also a really, really good feature if you have even a small business and you want to get paid in PayPal. So quickly, without making this video too long, this is how you sign up for a PayPal account and use one. It's very easy, and if you have no money in the account, then you can mess around because you can't really do anything wrong. So feel free to navigate as you may. Anyways, comment below and let me know if this video was helpful, and I hope you guys consider using PayPal as a payment method for your online business so you can get more sales. And if you have any questions or anything else to add to this, be sure to comment down below. I respond to all comments. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification icon so you can get notified when I post new videos, and I post new videos here every day. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps the channel out a lot and I'll really appreciate it. Check all the links down below in the description, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.